My name's Ian Moore. I'm the General Manager for the Smith family here in Western Australia. I work with Mike for over quite a few years now, and he's been quite heavily involved in our last two state conferences. We run conferences every year, which gets the whole of our team together from across the state for a couple of days of professional development. What I love about working with Mike is his energy and his flexibility and his professionalism, but I think most importantly the content of his workshops cover quite complex ideas, but deliver them in a way that makes sense to staff and is really practical in terms of their everyday use and their application. So I know from the feedback we've had from our recent state conference and last year's is that the staff really value being able to take away these tools and these strategies and really apply them to the challenges, the cut and thrust of day-to-day work. So just a little bit about us at the Smith family. We're Australia's largest children's education charity. We're national, with operations in every state and territory. We work with thousands of disadvantaged children so they get the best from their education. So if anybody would like to learn a little bit more about what we do, please don't hesitate to visit our website on www.thesmithfamily.com.au.